Christ in you. So the Old Testament guy will say, Lord, come and be with me in the fire. If you're in the fire, Christ has entered fire. Come. Stay there. I will be with you means there's a distance. So you are there, but I will be with you. In the New Testament, it doesn't say I will be with you. Go and read what he said. He doesn't say I will be with you. He said I am with you till the end of the age. The New Testament is, I like what John G. Lake said. John G. Lake said, God dwells in the man who wears this body of suits. He says, wherever this man goes, God goes. I will be with you means, come. Stand there. Come again. Stand. Now turn around. So I say now, go, I will be with you. So he keeps going. There is distance. I am with you. And you have to understand this, I am with you. This I am with you is not I am with you. This I am with you is Christ in you. Who understands that? Stay there. It's like I hugged him and I entered into him. So now, I want you to get this. Where are we going? Stop. Where is God? Does it make sense for this one to be praying, oh God, come and visit me? Oh God, come and help me. This is the revelation of God is my strength. Not God will strengthen me. God is the reinforcement of my being. God is my courage.